Who was Branwen ferch Llŷr? A princess of Welsh legend whose story is among the most powerful in the Mabinogion. Branwen was the daughter of Llŷr and sister to the giant Bendigeidfran, King of Britain, who had one of his courts at Harlech. She was given in marriage to Matholwch, King of Ireland, to unite the two families. Efnisien, Branwen's quarrelsome half-brother, was not told of her marriage and, in an act of rage, he mutilated Matholwch's horses. To restore peace, Bendigeidfran compensated Matholwch and gave him a magic healing cauldron which could resurrect the dead. However, the people of Ireland couldn't forgive Efnisien's insult, and as a punishment, Branwen was mistreated and forced into labour. Her only friend was a starling that she trained to carry a message home to her brother about her mistreatment. Outraged, Bendigeidfran gathered his men to rescue his sister. It is said that he was so big he strode across the Irish Sea beside his fleet. To protect themselves, the people of Ireland destroyed the bridge over the River Liffey. In response, Bendigeidfran spanned the river with his body, allowing his men to cross. A devastating war followed. The Irish used the cauldron to resurrect their fallen, but Efnisien destroyed it by sacrificing himself. Bendigeidfran was mortally wounded by a poisoned spear. Branwen was free, but the grief she had brought upon both lands became too much to bear, and she died of a broken heart soon after. Harlech is central to her story as the site of Bendigeidfran's legendary court. Visit Castell Harlech to discover the story of one of Wales's most tragic legends. Cadw, for us all to keep.